currently taking Bachelor of Science in Packaging Engineering here at Central Philippine University as a second-year student. So some of my hobbies are cycling and table tennis. In cycling, I won several races, and during pandemic, I nearly ended my life because of my accident. While in table tennis, I started playing when I'm in elementary, and currently, last last few months, I won first. No, rather, we won first runner-up at Centralian Festival Tennis Tournament. I decided to enter the engineering here at Central Philippine University dahil po, yun kay Nong Leo Simpson de Villa. Siya po ay isang packaging engineer ng Lemon Square Cheesecake po during that time. Nagkakilala po kami dahil po siya po ang naging sponsor ko sa mga karera ko po noong mga nagkaraang taon. At sabi niya po maganda po yung packaging engineer, ganito, ganyan at ganito, ganon. Kaya naman po ako ay naupo po sa kanya pinagsasabi, kaya po pumasok po ako dito sa Central Philippine University at kinuha ko po ang itong course. Sa ngayon po ay in-enjoy ko po yung buhay ko po dito ngayon sa CPU at nabubuhay po ako sa isang kasabihang, while there is life, there is hope.
God.